AvalonBay's core values and cultural norms really make it a special place to work, live, and grow.
AvalonBay was a merger between Avalon and Bay Properties, public East and West Coast companies that came together to form really the first bi-coastal multifamily REIT, or real estate investment trust.
The AvalonBay New York City portfolio is made up of roughly 15 communities, ranging in size anywhere from 10 to 60 stories.
The Midtown portfolio consists of 3 towers. We have our Midtown West and 2 Clinton buildings. All 3 buildings have a central heating plant. One of the buildings we have steam, the other building we have a condensing boiler plant, hydronic hot water. And then generally speaking, the buildings are served by PTAC units in the apartment homes and rooftop units for the common areas. Here in New York, we really have these older brick facade, steam central plant systems. It's a big challenge to keep those systems running efficiently. Vast majority of my time is spent here in New York City due to the complexities with regulatory compliance, utility costs, maintenance, capital projects. There's a lot to do.
Our strategy is to build efficient buildings with electrification where possible, deploy on-site renewable energy, and implement smart building technologies in our existing portfolio.
We were looking for a way to modernize how we run our HVAC in these buildings without ripping out existing systems.
We still want to reduce energy consumption, but we can do that in a way that doesn't sacrifice tenant comfort.
These properties are large, high occupancy, and energy intensive. A software-based approach to savings made a lot more sense than hardware overhauls. I was first introduced to Parity when I was doing some research into master systems integrators. So across my portfolio here in New York City, I have probably about 7 different building automation systems. It makes it very difficult to manage. I was trying to find somebody who could come on top of all of it, and in doing some research, I found some options. A lot of people out there cater more to the hospitals, the pharmaceuticals, the industrials, and then I found Parity, which really caters itself to multifamily, which was refreshing.
Parity is a remote HVAC optimization as a service company.
Their software controls, optimizes, and monitors our HVAC systems in real time.
This saves energy and reduces CO2 emissions without affecting residents' comfort.
Parity fits into the sustainability strategy by utilizing our existing infrastructure and optimizing it with improved building controls. Parity's main goal is HVAC optimization, but I see it as the full package to decarbonizing our existing portfolio.
Parity's had a drastic impact on the building's utilities and savings with focuses on Local Law 97 and 87. By 2030, AvalonBay hopes to meet and exceed the carbon emission goals New York City has set for us.
Parity provides the full package from identification, implementation, monitoring, and measurement and verification so that you're really providing an additional resource and extension of your team.
Across the 3 buildings, AvalonBay invested a little under $280,000 total. The savings over $540,000 so far, nearly double what was guaranteed.
On average, we're seeing a payback in just over a year, not the 3 years we were originally expecting. On top of the utility savings, we're earning revenue through demand response programs. Between the 3 buildings, that's over $30,000 just this year.
The team is also expecting $290,000 in Local Law 97 fine mitigation and reduced more than 1,000 tons of CO2 emissions. One huge benefit of Parity is the continuous and sustained improvement of the building operations. We expect the buildings to get better and better and be more efficient, and Parity is part of the puzzle for that continued success.
As a result of our partnership with Parity, we've really improved the quality of life at AvalonBay for our maintenance teams and engineering as well. We've created more resources for our teams. We're getting alerts about when equipment goes down so we can get ahead of issues before resident complaints or work orders come in. And as far as residents, they're not even aware Parity's in the building. To them, it's the same comfortable environment at our communities. So after the first 3 buildings, we've moved them now into 10 of our communities here in New York City. And the balance, our other 4 communities in Brooklyn, we're gonna be moving to next year. We also have this year 2 buildings coming online in Boston and doing walkthroughs down in DC to get pricing.
Parity's impact has been clear, and we see even greater potential ahead. As AvalonBay looks to the future, this partnership is helping us reimagine what sustainable living means for our portfolio of communities, our residents, and our teams.